So ngayon, ito, tanongin ko si Miss Marnie ngayon na lang ulit yung Miss Marnie, dito ka na ba for good sa Philippines? Pero, kailan
Umuwi lang talaga ako para.
hala, umuwi para sa Thursday natin. Grabe, grabe pa. Sige. Miss Marnie, pakilala mo yung sarili mo from what batch at saka saan ka galing. Alam ko malayo pa pinanggalingan nito.
Batangas po.
Batangas eh. Mas malayo pa. Sige.
Ayan, ako si Marnie, galing, batch 3, galing yung Switzerland.
Galing ng Switzerland lang naman, guys. Ayan. Ano siya, online, tas hanggang sa nag-face-to-face siya dito. And then, graduate siya na face-to-face siya dito. Ayan, sige, bunot ka. Pinakamadali sana yun. Charot lang.
Tell us about your worst reading experience and what it taught you. Humble me nung nawala na yung 7K.
7K USD?
So, one day,
One day!
0.5.
0.5.
Tapos nag-against sa,
Press.
nagdire-diretso.
Oh, and
After
then,
nun, traumatized.
ayun.
Dapat nag-ilang ba?
Bago naka-recover. This happened kailan?
Last
Year. Last year, June. Nangyari siya, nakagraduate ka na kay LTA?
March.
Nakagraduate ka kay LTA ng March. Nangyari siya ng June. Paano mo siya na-overcome?
Sport.
Sa sports?
Nag-sports ako, tapos binasa ko uli yung, tsaka yung mga video ni Miss Lady. Inulit ko yung mga, niya from 1, tapos hanggang para makabalik ko yung
Ilang months ilang months ka nag-pause bago ka ulit bumalik sa field?
I think
4 months.
tapos na talo uli yung October. Nag-stop uli ako hanggang December, January. Tapos February, nag-stop uli ako. Nung March umuwi ako, last month uli lang.
Bumalik. Yeah. Okay, may last question for you, Miss Marnie. Out of ilang beses ka nag-stop, nag-pause, why you still coming back in trading?
Mapapalayas na po kasi ako sa amin. Hindi kasi from 20 years na akong as housewife lang. So, parang yung career ko na So, nung 2022, first, doon ko lang na yung aking high school through ALS. Kasi may sinuna ko family before, support them. Tapos, nung 2023, ako sa isang online academy rin para sa formal school sana. Kaya lang, stop na po nila yung online. Pero yung time na po na yun, nakikita ko na yung sa algo ko, yung trading. Tapos nung pag-uwi ko po, sabi ko, kung mag-start ulit ako sa formal school, takes maybe 6 years. Tapos, maybe another 4 years para ma-master ko yung kukunin ko. Ikaw why not i-try ko? So yun, nagpatalo lang tayo.
Tuition fee lang.
So from na standard lot size to 1, ngayon 0.01 na lang.
0.01. Para kumbaga bumabalik ka from the, di ba? As a beginner talaga, from basic. No?
Turuan ka po talaga mo.
Yes, correct. Yeah. Thank you so much, Miss Marnie. At palakpakan naman natin si Miss Marnie for sharing a bit of herself. Gusto ko lang din siguro i-highlight doon na, di ba, for those naman naka-attend ng topic ko about trading psychology, there are times kasi na yung market talagang i-humble niya tayo, di ba? At the same time, we'll never learn kasi talaga yung experience unless it happens to you, unless it's painful. That's the word, it's painful. $500 is already painful for others. And it made them stop or pause. Sa akin, in my case, it's 5,000 in a day. Kay Miss Marnie, umabot ng 7,000 ang araw na yon for her to realize na may mali sa ginagawa niya. Diba? And I know some, ayoko ng pangalanan, diba? Pero meron 20,000. 25,000 USD. Pero dun lang sila natuto. So whether it's 300 or 500, whatever the amount, if it's painful for you, that's the moment na magkakaroon ka ng turning point when it comes to trading. No? So, kumbaga magkakaiba tayo ng pain tolerance, di ba? Parang risk lang din yan. But I really hope na on those mga experiences natin, yung mga losses natin, it will not bring us down and quit in this industry. Kasi you all know yung opportunity and capability nitong industry na to. Diba? So, kayo mismo nakaka-witness nun. If yung iba, bakit nila nagagawa yun and ikaw hindi, probably may mali sa ginagawa mo. So, you need to be surrounded with a good environment and good people around you and learn from them. Diba? Not just the foundation na meron ka, but also experiences will teach you. Join us!